Greetings traders, this is Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, September 4th, 2014. Market started off the day quite bullish, and then people sold into that strength all day long. And we have the markets down across the board, small caps dropping the most, down 0.42%. Banks down, VIX volatility index, which is the fear indicator, going higher by 2.5%. Gold off, silver off, and utility sector down here, down 0.10%. What's really interesting to me here is transportation. Transportation is up 0.62%, even with the Dow being in negative territory for the day. Peculiar action, to say the least. Here we are looking at the S&P 500. My big problem here is this. Now follow me here. We had an exceptional run. Last few weeks we go higher and higher and higher and higher. Mostly white candlesticks or green, and with just a couple red candlesticks in the mix. And we come up here, we do a little pullback. People buy into that strength, getting above 2,000, hitting all-time record highs for the S&P 500. Next few days, we just start chopping around. Today, we exploded out of the gates, went higher, reaching an all-time record high in the market. We got up to 2011 on the S&P 500. Immediately, people started selling into that. Coming down. Finding support finally at the rising 11 EMA. We bounced back up the last 15 minutes of the day. I'd say the last half hour of the day, almost the last 45 minutes of the day. Big pop here. And then we closed in 1997. Although it was a great year, the problem is it's below the 2000 mark. That's not good. Looking here at the weekly chart, we have one more day. But if we stay even, if we close somewhere near this tomorrow, we're going to have a reversal pattern. If we go bearish on Friday, a reversal pattern. The only thing to keep us from having a reversal pattern, only going up from this support level to the area about 80%. The only thing to keep that from happening is we have a nice bullish day ending out the week. Now, if we get a reversal pattern here and we do drop, we will have failed to hit resistance and drop early. That will make our rising wedge. That will be problematic going into the future. Tech stocks. Apple is down again. Big boom to the downside. Amazon was up 2%. Amazon's doing extremely well. High base breakout. Not doing too shabby. GoPro was off 6.7%. Big drop here. I had to sell a bunch of my GoPro today. LinkedIn was up more than 1%. It's holding its own. LinkedIn not doing too bad at all. And my Taser is up almost 5% today. It was up a lot more than that at one point, but markets just got bearish and it came back down. And Twitter that I'm holding is up almost 2%. Markets aren't doing too bad on the tech side. Small caps though not faring so well. Yesterday added a hedge. I have that hedge today and sold a big chunk of my long positions today due to what we're seeing here in the S&P 500. If you look at the Dow, building a base but selling into that strength. NASDAQ drop. We're at a support level, but if it breaks that, I'm going to be glad to be hedged and light on my longs. Russell's lower high, lower low, dropping, just heading downward. So I want to protect profits here. Check out the site teachme2hedge.com. That'll help you out. Take care. Very safe trading to each and every one of you guys.